Alright, hey, welcome back to Hobart's Workshop, part 3 of the rebuild on the ram horn helmet. I'm Hobart, the reigning king of the Kingdom of Elderwood. And as you see, we have this big, huge chunk of cranium right here left on this ram horn helmet here. And we're going to take this plaster piece off now. So my main concern is, looking at it, really don't want to do damage to the horns because, I mean, they're old, they're raggedy, they're dirty, they're beautiful. Because the character I use is a barbarian. And this is going to fit in perfectly with my character. So what I'm doing, I'm just taking this wood chisel here. And I'm trying to get all this wood glue that he... you know what? Hammer time. Yes, it's supposed to be funny. And here comes all this dirty, cloudy, dusty plaster. Hang on. These things here come in handy. And yes, I'm fixing to put one of these things on because, you know what? This is extremely dusty, and I don't want none of this plaster all up in my lungs. And no offense, I don't know where this plaster... I don't want to breathe plaster, man. That's just bad business. And as I see, it's just hot glued in there. Nothing but hot glue. Gobs and gobs of hot glue. And plaster. Which is rather ingenious, actually, if you don't want to go buy stuff, and makes for an excellent custom piece, which I'm pretty sure is what he did. As you see, it's just, I don't know if you can see, mountains of hot glue. And that's what I'm doing. I'm not doing any damage to the wood, I mean the bone yet. I'm not doing anything. Man. The amount of hot glue on here is just, woo, impressive. Here we go. Come on off. Reason why I'm not using a Dremel is because it's too loud. You won't be able to hear me talk. This stuff is, geez, oh man. Look at this. That's just nothing but hot glue. I'm telling you right now, if that's a small hot glue gun, that's at least 2 hot glue gun sticks. So, we got it off. We got it separated. I'm just trying to get some of these gobs of hot glue off the horns. Because, man, there we go. It's a lot of hot glue. Lots and lots of hot glue. Wow. You know what? I could have used my daggum heat gun for this. I just thought about that. Oh, man. Wow, look at this. All that hot glue. This is phenomenal. Just cleaning it up a little bit more, because I probably will use a Dremel on this thing. Just to lighten the load. I mean, Jesus Christ, this piece right here is crazy. I don't know if you can see it very well, but that's where the brain sat. Isn't that just cool? Well, I think so. Anyway, here it is. It's off. It's removed. And my God, is it still heavy. I'm going to have to come in here and remove a lot of the front and file down a lot of the inside here. But unfortunately, I'm going to do all that off camera. So, yeah, that's going to have to get done off camera, because it's just way, way too loud. So, again, this is closing. I'm Hobart from Hobart's Workshop, Reigning King, the Kingdom of Elderwood. You can find the group on Facebook, Kingdom of Elderwood. We're an HFS LARP group. This is going to be a mess. Hey, stay fun out there, stay creative, and LARP on.